Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I am Mahesh, your instructor for this video. Today we will be going with a question of book D3, which is commonly used for O-level students and grade 8 students. We will be doing a question from exercise 9A from chapter number 9, and that question will be question number 1 of basic level. Okay, let's start without any wait. Before starting this question, we have to make sure that we must be aware of some terms in this chapter, like trigonometry ratios and angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, let's start without any wait. So what is angle of elevation and angle of depression? Okay, in simple terms, imagine a person who's standing here and he is seeing a plane in upward direction. So the area here is known as angle of elevation. Okay, same as if he sees downwards. For example, here is a dog and he's seeing a dog, so his sight will be in the down direction, so that area is called angle of depression. Okay, one more example of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Imagine here is a person and there is an object in up direction and in down direction. If the person is seeing the first object in the upward direction, so that angle is called angle of elevation, means upwards. When angle goes upwards, in simple terms, okay, when angle goes in down direction, so it is called angle of depression. Okay, I hope so that this will be easy for you guys. Okay, let's read the question. The question states, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, the question states here, the question states that Lixon, okay, Lixon is a person, okay, and he or she is standing at P. Okay, where is P? P is here. Okay, P means Lixon is standing here. Okay, then we got to know that is flying a kite attached to a string of length 140 meter. He or Lixon is flying a kite which is in upward direction, means it is forming a angle of elevation, and the distance from Lixon to the kite is 140 meter. Okay, then we got to know that the angle of elevation from of the kite K from our hand is 58 degree. This angle of elevation is forming a angle of 58 degree. Okay, now we got to know that the area from from Lixon to the kite is 140 meter, and the angle of elevation is 58 degree. Okay, now we got to know in the third line, assuming that the string is taut, find the height of the kite above her hand. In simple terms, it is saying that you have to find the distance between K and Q. Okay, to solve this question, we will be using trigonometry ratios. Who aren't aware about trigonometry ratios, don't worry, I will be telling you about it. Trigonometry ratios. Okay, okay, we in simple terms, we have the basic trigonometry ratios, which are 3. Okay, which is sine, sin, cos, tan. Before learning what is sin, cos, tan, you should know that what is hypotenuse, perpendicular, base. Those who don't know, don't worry, I will be telling you about it. Okay. The longest side of an angle is known as hypotenuse. Okay, if you can see here, the longest side of this whole angle is this one. So this is known as hypotenuse. Okay. Now, we will know that what is base. To know that which side is the base, you can see a simple term that at what line there are two angles. Like here is an angle and here is a 90-degree angle. So here is a base. And the last side of a right angle triangle is perpendicular. Okay. I hope so that you understand. Then now we will come towards sin, cos, tan. Okay, sin equals to angle. Okay, equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means perpendicular will come first, then hypotenuse, means P upon H. Okay, then cos is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse means B upon H. Okay, now after that we have tan. Tan stands for P upon B, means perpendicular upon base. I hope so that you understand these trigonometry ratios. To be more aware about these topics, make sure that you follow make sure that you subscribe my channel and give a like. Now come towards the question. We have understand what the question is saying to us. Now we will be solving this whole question. Okay. I've already written the answer of the question. Let me present it to you. Sorry. Here is the answer. Don't take it difficult. It's really easy. Okay. As we know that we have to find. Wait a minute. Sorry. Okay, as we know that we have to find the height of the kite above her hand, so we will suppose that H. Okay, H here we will only suppose H is not the answer. We will only suppose that H meter, because here is the sign of meter. H meter be the height of the kite above her hand. You can write her hand or Lixin hand. Here I have written Lixin's hand. Okay, we will say that it is H. It is equals to H. Now we have got to know that we have supposed this which is perpendicular. Okay, we will be using here sin rule, because we have angle 58 degree, we have a hypotenuse, and we have to find perpendicular. We have supposed that P here will be equals to H meter. Okay, now let's solve it. Make sure that you write this in your answer. Let's solve it without any wait. First of all, we know the rule sin A stands for angle, P upon H. Sin 58 degree is equals to perpendicular. What we have supposed perpendicular? H, correct. Then hypotenuse was 140. Okay, then this 140 will go here. Okay, it will multiply. So sin 58 degree multiply by 140 is equals to H. Now let me use the calculator to find what is equals to sin 58. Wait a minute, I'm finding. Wait a minute, just I'm finding that what is. Okay. Sin 58 is equals to. Wait a minute. Okay. Sin 58 is equals to 0.84. Okay. Multiply by 140 is equals to h. Now, if we will multiply 0.84 with 140, we would most likely get uh, around 188. Sorry, 118. Yes, we will get h is equals to 118.72. Now we will use estimating here. So we will consider that h is equals to 119 meter. Okay, let's see the answer here. Yes, we have done the answer correct. Here we got to know that 119 meter is the answer. So k to q is equals to 119 meter. So the height of the kite above Lixon hand is 119 meter. Okay, if you have any other question regarding this chapter or regarding any type of mathematical or trigonometry or geometry question, so please make sure that you write in the chat box. I will make sure to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.